In the previous slide, I showed you how X-rays are produced by infall of matter into the deep gravitational potential of the neutron star. Here is an artist's sketch of how the binary X-ray binary center of the X-ray will look like. So you can see center of X-ray, there is a neutron star, and this is the optical companion. This particular star is known as Kuzmin star. It has a mass of about 14 times solar mass. So you can see that the mass is being pulled when this visible star undergoes expansion. The mass is being pulled due to the gravity, strong gravity of the neutron star towards the neutron star. It goes into orbit, forms an accretion disk, and then accretes onto the neutron star, which is shown here. Okay, so 4.8 seconds therefore represents the rotation period of the neutron star. So neutron star is rotating with a period of 4.8 seconds on its axis. Now this you can imagine that it is rotating so fast because look at the sun. Sun has a rotation period of typically about 27 days. So compared to days, here it is in seconds. Okay. Next slide, please. Now, the X-ray binaries have periods which range from hour, a fraction of an hour, to days and months. Okay, I'm talking about the binary period. Now, here's an example of what is known as a low mass X-ray binary. Why low mass X-ray binary? Because the binary companion is a low mass star. In this case, it's a white dwarf and a neutron star pair. So neutron star is the X-ray source and white dwarf is the companion. And the distance between the center, you can see between the neutron star and the white dwarf, is less than the distance we have between the Earth and the Moon. It is only about 130,000 kilometers. Okay, and the accretion disk is formed as in the case of Centaurus X-ray, and you have the X-rays which are coming from the magnetic pole. And for example, comparison, I'm showing you here the size of the Earth. So you can see we are talking production of energy which is about 10 to 34 to 35 ergs per second from this particular star, which is in such a small volume, comparable to a few times the size of the Earth. Next.